division algorithm. So what basically is division algorithm is, we have been knowing this since a very long time. Say we have 3 which is getting divided by say 2. So 2 ones are 2, and we'll have a remainder of 1. Okay. Now here you might say, what does this got to do with division algorithm? So here this 3 here is also known as p of x, and that 2 there is a g of x, and 1 is q of x, and the other one, which is the remainder one, the bracket, maybe I'll write it in a different color because it's a remainder. That remainder one is known as the r of x. Okay. Now, so if I write this down, I mean, if I tell you p of x, or this here, is known as the dividend. So they can be basically any number here, right? So that's why it is shown by p of x. And g of x is known as the divisor. G of x, I mean q of x is the quotient, um, and then r of x is the remainder. Yeah. So this is a thing which you have to remember, and also there's a relation between all these things, that the p of x, this one p of x 3 here, is the same as g of x multiplied by q of x plus r of x. So basically what is happening here is they're saying that the dividend is the same as the divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder. Now let's try a question with the same thing. So this question here is taken from the Ncert textbook, from exercise 2.3 question 1. So how we can do this is, now here what you have to do is divide the polynomial p of x, this is p of x, by polynomial g of x here, and find the quotient and remainder for both, and verify the division algorithm. So division algorithm is basically this whole box is the division algorithm. Okay. Now let's divide p of x by g of x. Let's write p of x down. 3x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Right. Now let's divide this so by the g of x, which is x square minus 2. Okay. Now we're gonna get now to take this out, we'll multiply by the x, we'll get x cube minus 2x. Okay, I'll write the 2x over there, minus 2x. Now what I'm gonna get, this is gonna go off, this is gonna become minus, and this is going to become a plus. Then I'll get this part down, and now I will add these two. I'll get plus 7x. In the next step, I'm going to multiply x square with minus 3, so that we can take this off. So I'll get minus 3x square, and 3 2s are 6, but this time it's going to be plus 6. Change the signs, I'm going to get this as plus and that as minus. This is gone, and I'll be remaining with plus 7x, and minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. And so that's basically it. It's so now what we got, our q of x is x minus 3. Q of x is, which is on the top, r of x is in the bottom, p of x is on the right hand side, and g of x is on the left hand side. Now the remainder of x, the r of x, is 7x minus 9 in this case. Okay. Now we have to verify the division algorithm. So how we can do that is we have to show that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, now let's start by writing the g of x and q of x. So g of x is this one, that's x square minus 2. It's x square minus 2, and that's multiplying by x minus 3. Now x square, I'll write it this way, and that's minus 2 x minus 3, and that's gonna give me I'll write it here, that's gonna give me x cube minus 3x square, and that's minus 2x, and that's going to be plus 6. Okay, now in this we have to add our remainder, so that's plus 7x minus 9. Now the answer I'm going to get is going to be, let's see, x cube is going to come down because we don't have anything with the same x powered, and now we have 3x squared. Now we can notice that these two are similarly powered, so minus 2x plus 7x is plus 5x, plus 6, and minus 9 is minus 3. Now you notice that this year, what we got this year is the same as our quotient, right? So the thing with, now after doing this, we can say that the division algorithm it was satisfied or verified. So what basically is division algorithm is that when you multiply the quotient with the g of x, which is the divisor, and then add the r of x to it, then we're gonna get our p of x, which is the dividend.